Introducing the top 5 paint choices for 2024 according to AI. The first color is a dusty blue color entitled Let It Rain, and it's by Sherwin-Williams. This color offers comfort and tranquility. The next warm brown color is entitled Canoe. It has an earthy vibe to it. And what's really cool, Sherwin-Williams has a color snap visualizer that you could actually take this color, put it on your wall without leaving your home and without doing the painting. Then you could see if this works for you. With pewter green, as you see it done on cabinetry and other accents around the house, it's an undertone. It's best used in coordinating colors. As you can see here, what's done in this kitchen. So pewter green is another by Sherwin-Williams that has been chosen by AI. In 2024, we're getting more bold with our colors. As you can see, a deep aubergine color, which is a deep reddish brown. Benjamin Morris Caponata is highly recommended for use, as you can see right behind with the accents and also the light fixtures and things of that nature, how they work really well together. Creamy white is an update to the classic white. Benjamin Moore's simple white is a definite showstopper, as you can see right here in this photo. So what do you guys think? Do you think that AI has chosen the correct colors? If so, I'd love to hear your opinion. You can place that below. And as always, like, subscribe, and share, and that'd be great. Thank you. You can find your perfect home at BigEdsHomefinder.com. And as always, like, subscribe, and share.